Good morning, children. Here I am safe. What about you? I hope you are well and doing very well and also safe and secure.
Students, let's concentration on definition of indifference curve. An indifference curve can be defined as the locus of points each representing a different combination of two goods yielding the same utility or level of satisfaction. Here you should concentrate first one word, that is locus. What is locus? Locus means a group of points passing through a line called locus. Students, listen here carefully. We are observing here relationship between two goods x and y. We are concentrate on two goods. What are the relationship between these two goods? We are observing here clearly. When we are learn indifference curve analysis, basis on indifference schedule we have to learn. An indifference curve is drawn on the basis of an indifference schedule. Observe here, we are taking two goods that are x and y. If you want to take another variable, you should take A or B or apple or bananas, anything. Indifference schedule may be defined as a schedule of various combinations of two goods which yields the same level of satisfaction. Concentrate table 2.3 shows 5 combinations of two goods x and y which gives the same utility. The consumer satisfy from first combination to fifth combination. In first combination, 1 unit of x plus 15 units of y is the same as that of other combinations. For example, second, third, fourth and fifth. Since all combinations yield the same level of satisfaction, the consumer is indifferent among these combinations. Basing on the indifference schedule, we can draw an indifference curve. Students, concentrate here. Figure 2.2. Good x is measured on the OX axis and good y is measured on OY axis. Consumer's utility at point A on the IC means indifference curve with 1 unit of good x and 15 units of good y is equal to the utility at point B with 2 units of x and 11 units of y at the same points of E. In this, the consumer is indifferent regarding the combinations. So we will join A, B, C, D and E. We get a indifference curve IC. Now you understood how to draw the IC. Similarly, we can draw indifference curves showing combinations of good x and good y which represent greater and lesser satisfaction of a consumer. Students, now we will understand about indifference map. How to draw indifference map. What is indifference map? A set of indifference curves is called an indifference map. We can draw similarly indifference curves showing combinations of good x and good y which represent greater and lesser satisfaction. In other words, indifference curve IC1 represent a lower level of satisfaction because of less quantity of both goods as compared with indifference curves IC2 and IC3. Students, till now you understand very well what is indifference curve and what is the definition, what is indifference schedule and what is the indifference map. We will discuss properties of indifference curves in next class. Until then, take care.